Hey there traders, welcome to another market update video. Today is the 9th of June 2021, and over here on the Bitcoin chart, on the 4-hour chart, I'm lining up to take the short position all the way up here, and I'm also looking to take some longs once they become available. We already did get a backfill on where I wanted to buy this morning. Unfortunately, didn't quite get on the charts in time to catch this trade. So we're going to buy this level again once we do get back down here. Let me just plot that out for you real quick. It's going to be this price level that we're looking to take a long position around 33,871.37 cents. So that should be a pretty decent long. And we're also looking to take a short position all the way up here. So let me just adjust this. Probably do a 3%, 3%. There we go. So I'm looking to take a short position on Bitcoin around the price of $35,443. So I'm also going to be looking to take this long and this short. So just keep that in mind. If Bitcoin does break above this level, I'm not taking any long positions because I do see all of this price action back here that can potentially act as resistance. Like this support became resistance, this support most likely will be resistance over here. And then this was a major support coming through all the way from these wicks back here at the mid-March more or less. We can see this is a major level, and it's also lining up with this trend line. So for confluence, the 55 exponentials right over there. On the daily chart, let's see, that's going to be the 10 simple lining up there. On the weekly, do we see anything? Not really. Okay, so on the weekly, we're not seeing much. But I do want to point this out while we are on the weekly. In the past, whenever we've broken below the 21 exponential, that's never been a good signal. Like, for example, right over here, we held support on that 55, and then we pumped up to meet the 10 and the simple, the 10 simple and the 21 exponential, excuse me. So those are right around $43,000 and $45,000. So that $2,000 range is more or less where I think Bitcoin would go if we were to break this range to the upside and we were to break above this trend line and this previous swing high right here. So right now we've got a swing high, lower low than the previous swing low, and high, lower low, lower high, and another lower low. So perhaps this will be the point where we could see another lower high. But for me, I don't want to short around this level. This is the one I'm targeting, and this is where I'd like to go short. If we break above that, however, and we break these highs up here, like I've stated, that's when I'll be bullish again medium term and start being very aggressive with my long positions. Let's go over to Ethereum. Ethereum currently inside of this range. It's created this range actually again from around about mid-March. We can see it's held support and resistance multiple times. Throughout history, it held support now again, so that's a pretty decent level. And then this level held support, 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 resistance, resistance, support and resistance throughout the history here. So we are looking for this area to act as resistance. This is where we wanted to short yesterday, but we hit TP1 and then we closed the remainder of the trade. So we made a little bit of profit on that. So I'm going to be looking for this one to break above $2,536 on the dot. Once we break above that and close a 4-hour candle above that, that's when I'll be targeting a move back up to the very least around about $2,668 per Ethereum. So I'm looking for this range to break to the upside with some decent volume. Then I'm definitely going to be looking to be a buyer around this level. For Litecoin, pretty similar situation here. I'm looking for this to close a 4-hour candle above $160.35. Once we see that, I would target a move back up to fill this range all the way back to around about 172.04. Rune, we're going to skip. We're going to talk about ChainLink here. Also looking to break this range. Once we break this range, I'd be looking for another move back up to around about $26 spot 78 cents. But it has to close a 4-hour candle above 24,633. Excuse me, $24 spot 63 cents. My goodness. Okay, and then BNB, I'm looking for this one to be a buy signal very, very soon. I want to see how this 4-hour candle closes. If it closes above this line right here, this horizontal, around 354 spot 86, with some volume behind it, I'd be looking for a move back up to the very least around $376. At which point I would be looking to take a short position on BNB. And then Monero, also starting to break that range. We're seeing a little bit of volume. Just let me draw the range in for you guys here. We're starting to see a little bit of an increase in volume here, closing the first candle above, open and close above the 10 simple moving average. A few things in its favor here, but the only thing that I would kick against is the fact that we do have this liquidity zone basically so close to each other. So I wouldn't be looking to take any long positions here. I think this one isn't going to pump too much unless we can break above this previous swing high, which comes in around about $276. We can break that. I'm definitely buying. And then Matic is another one I've been looking at as well. Currently below all major moving averages. But if we break and close above this range, I do believe that we'll come all the way back up to around about 1.677, somewhere around that area right there. This one's looking more or less good to me. I think this is all just a bullish reset after an impulsive move to the upside. But I could be wrong. This one could be breaking much, much lower. Maybe come and sweep the lows around 0.866. That's definitely in the cards as well. But we'll keep an eye on it. Right now, I'm looking for buys on all of these coins in the short term, and then definitely short positions once we get higher, especially for Bitcoin here, like I've already mentioned. All right, that's it for this video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.